Okay guys, Rover Dude here, and this is my project Freelander. Right now it's up on jacks, and I'm doing some modifications to the suspension so I can get some bigger wheels on there, taller wheels. So I'm looking probably later on to do a lift kit or something of that nature. This is the front end of it. I have all the parts, they're inside, the lights and everything. I just take the bumper off to facilitate getting at the nuts and bolts to this thing. This is the engine bay. I've got one head off. I'm going to put it on, and the other one is already attached, as you can see here. I just have to torque up the bolts to it, and it's very important to get the timing right on these things. It's actually critical. Right here is one of the timing marks that has to be set, and I'm going to kind of point to it. It's that bottom pulley right there. And then of course it's got these pulleys that have to be aligned also with the belts. And on the back end there's a couple more. I actually have a brace on there. It's a kit you can buy, and what I'll do is when I get a chance I'll attach it. I'll put it so you guys can track it down and see what kit it is. But once I get this head on, I'm going to torque things up and start with the timing. Once I do that, I'll let you guys see what I'm doing. So again, this is my project Freelander, and should have her going in a little bit, in a week or so, because I still have to buy some other things to get it going. So just kind of keep an eye, and as soon as I get things bottled up here, I'll take another video and show the timing of it. Okay, so this is a project I hope we can all enjoy, and we'll go from there. As you can see, I marked the front head just so I knew which one was which. Alright guys, thank you very much, and this is Rover Dude out.